Hello students, again welcome you in our YouTube channel Gavish Classes and myself Gajendra Singh. Today we will complete exercise 8.1 class 10 maths. So we complete all chapter exercise 8.1. So let's start it without wasting our time. So we have there are three questions. Last three questions, question number 9, 10, 11, and in this video lecture we complete these three questions. So question is, we have a question number 9, exercise 8.1 and chapter introduction to trigonometry. So question number 9. 9 says that in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, right angled at B, right angled at B, if tan A equal 1 by 3, sorry 1 by root 3, find the value of first part. So in this question we have two parts. First is sin A. We have to find out the value of sin A cos C and plus cos A into sin C. Second part, cos A into cos C and minus sin A into sin C. So we will do first part and second part. You can do on the basis of first part. So let's solve first part. First of all, we draw a rough diagram in this question. So we have a triangle. This is triangle. Right angle at B. So this is B, and we have a tan equal to 1 upon root 3. A, B, and C. We have the value of tan A 1 upon root 3. So this is A and this is C. So let AB and BC is to be, this is tan A perpendicular upon base. So this is perpendicular, 1 is perpendicular. So we can do 1k or we can say k and root 3k respectively. Where k is ratio coefficient. So this is k and this is root 3k. So by the Pythagoras theorem, and this theorem also known as Bodayan theorem. So square of AC equal square of AB and plus square of BC. So this is Pythagoras theorem. Simply we know that, and we have to find out AC. So AB is root 3 k square and plus BC is k square. This is 3k square and k square, that is 4k square. We have to find the AC. So square here in the form of square root. So plus minus 2k, AC equal to plus minus 2k. But we have to choose positive value. So is equal plus 2 or we can say 2k. Since sin A into cos C and plus cos A into sin C, we have to find the value of this expression. So sin A परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज, इसको लिख देते हैं अगर परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज, PVP so this is trick, this is simple trick to understand all trigonometric ratios and find out the all trigonometric ratios on the basis of this this expression. Remember, so इस एक्सप्रेशन को आपको याद रखना है, तो हम इसकी एक न्यूमोनिक है उसको हम बताते हैं। पाकिस्तान हरा भरा, पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा, ये होगा बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेनस, PVP अपॉन HHP। सो पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा, हिंदुस्तान हरा भरा, पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा। सो फर्स्ट लेटर and this first letter and this first letter upon हिंदुस्तान का H, फर्स्ट लेटर हिंदुस्तान, हरा भरा। So in this way you can remember this thing, PVP upon HHP. So you can learn this mnemonic, पाकिस्तान हरा भरा, पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा, मतलब फर्स्ट लेटर P means perpendicular, this P means base and this P is perpendicular, फिर this is hypotenuse, this also hypotenuse and this is base. So we have to find the sin A. First is sin A perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular K and hypotenuse 2K. So K upon 2K into cos C. For angle C we have to find the cos C. So cos base upon hypotenuse. So this is base and this is hypotenuse, K upon 2K. For angle C, base is BC, not BA. This AB base only for angle A, plus cos A. For angle A, the value of cos means base upon hypotenuse. So base is AB for angle A. For angle A, base is AB. This is base angle AB base upon hypotenuse, AB upon AC means root 3k base upon hypotenuse. AC is 2k into sin C. For angle C, the value of sin perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is root 3k and hypotenuse is 2k. So we can simply k cancel out. So 1 upon 4 and plus k cancel out, and root 3 to root 3 means 3 and 2 to the 4. So answer is 4 upon 4. Finally answer 1. So first part will complete, and further next part do yourself. You can do by this triangle and we have to. So now we proceed next question. Next question is question number 10. ये वाला न्यूमेरिक आप इसे रिमेम्बर कर सकते हो फॉर रिमेम्बर. So next question is question number 10. So what says question number 10? So question number 10 is says in a triangle PQR, in a triangle PQR, actually question number 10 we solved previous video lecture. I think first video lecture we have to solve this. हमने इसको क्या सॉल्व कर दिया है हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 को आई थिंक फर्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर में, तो उसको आप वहाँ पे उसको देख सकते हो. वी प्रोसीड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 true false. So statement is state further, state whether the following are true or false, are true or false. Justify your answer. Your answer. So part first, the value of tan A, is always less than 1. So this is first part. So we will do one by one. So solve. So question says that in part 1, the value of tan A is always less than 1. Means the value of tan A less than 1. This expression, this sentence says this thing. Tan A less than, always less than 1. So tan A means for any angle A, the value of tan means perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base. So for any angle A, the value of tan is perpendicular upon base. So we have to put perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base less than 1, and in this expression we can proceed next. perpendicular क्या होना चाहिए, लेस देन बेस. अगर tan A को ऑलवेज लेस देन 1 होना चाहिए तो क्या होगा, परपेंडिकुलर क्या हमेशा बेस से लेस ही रहेगा. तो चेक करते हैं. नाउ वी हैव अ ट्रायंगल ABC. ABC चेक करते हैं. फॉर एंगल सपोज दिस इज एंगल थीटा. सो परपेंडिकुलर ऑलवेज बेस. अगर ये हमारा ये परपेंडिकुलर, दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर, BC इज परपेंडिकुलर फॉर एंगल A एंड दिस इज बेस AB फॉर एंगल A. तो दिस इज सपोज 3 एंड दिस इज सपोज 4. सो हाइपोटेन्यूज इज 5. तो ये क्या जरूरी है, ये परपेंडिकुलर 3 रहेगा या ये बेस 4 रहेगा. ये ऐसा कर सकता है, ये 4 हो जाए, इस तरह से. ये थीटा एंड दिस इज 3 एंड दिस इज 2. So hypotenuse will remains in, that is 5. So in these two situations also possible, very clearly these two cases also possible. So hence perpendicular will not less than base always. So this statement false. This statement we can say this statement false, because in these two cases we analyze, and these two cases we analyze. Or first case perpendicular less than base, but in case second perpendicular more than base. So these two cases also possible. So hence we can conclude that perpendicular will not less than always base. So this is first part, and we proceed next second part. So second part says that second part says that sec A equal 12/5 for some value of angle A. For some value of angle A. इसको चेक करते हैं. Sec A, suppose we have a triangle. This is A, B and C. So this is angle A. Sec A, we have a sec A 12.5. So Pakistan भूखा प्यासा, हिंदुस्तान हरा भरा. So this is sec. If we go from bottom to top, so hypotenuse upon base. Sec means hypotenuse upon base. So hypotenuse is 12 and base is 5. So this value exists for any angle of A. So clearly we can see, we know that base always less than hypotenuse. So this is all know that base as well as perpendicular. So this value exists. So for any angle A, this value exists. So this is true. Now next part, third part, cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. तो क्या है, कोसे का जो एब्रीविएशन फॉर्म है, क्या कोसिकेंट होता है? नो, बिकॉज कोसिकेंट of abbreviation cosecant is abbreviation of cosec. cosec का क्या होता है? एब्रीविएशन cosecant होता है. ये कह सकते हैं cosecant का एब्रीविएशन क्या होता है? cosec, not cos. Abbreviation of cos, cosine. Abbreviation of cosine, that is cos. But cosecant, abbreviation of cosec. So this is full form of cosec. That is, this is abbreviation of cosecant, and this is abbreviation of cosine. So this is false. Now we proceed next part, that is fourth part. So fourth part, cot is the product of cot into A. Cot is the product of cot into cot and A. So simply cot is the product of cot A. Cot is the product of cot into A. No, because cot and A is not different thing. This is same thing. Cot. No, it is not true. Yeah, there is not exist. It is not exist. It is not exist. Yeah, it is not possible, because cot always comes with angle A, with angle. Any trigonometric ratios ratios comes with acute angle. So this is not different thing, this is one thing. So any trigonometric ratios, we can show any trigonometric ratios so with acute angle. So this is false. This is not product of cot and a. And we have to proceed. Next question, sin theta equal 4/3 for some angle theta. For some angle theta. So this is last part of question number 10, and this exercise complete here. We have a sin theta equal 4/3 and we have to show that this is true or false for angle theta. To solve sin theta, we have sin theta equal 4/3. So first of all we have to check is this value exist. So let's check it. So we draw a triangle on the basis of this sin theta. So sin theta is 4/3 and we all know that sin is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. We all know that by this. By this tricks we can we remember that this is sin perpendicular upon hypotenuse, Pakistan, Hindustan. So sin is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Suppose A, B and C. So 4, this is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 4 and hypotenuse is 3 for angle. Is it possible perpendicular more than hypotenuse? This is wrong. This is wrong because we all know that in right triangle hypotenuse is the longest side rather than perpendicular or base. We all know that. In right triangle hypotenuse is the longest side. Hypotenuse is the longest side rather than perpendicular or end base. So this is not true. Sin theta is equal to 4/3. This is not true because hypotenuse more than perpendicular more than hypotenuse. But this is not true. True is hypotenuse is the longest side. In short, hypotenuse is more than perpendicular or base. So this is false statement. So here एक्सरसाइज 8.1 कंप्लीट हो चुकी है। यहाँ पे अगले वीडियो लेक्चर में अगर इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको कोई किसी भी तरह की एनी हाउ क्वेरी है उसको आप कमेंट बॉक्स में शेयर कीजिए, और अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो उसको लाइक कीजिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए। सो अगले वीडियो लेक्चर में हम एक्सरसाइज 8.2 उसका हम इंट्रोडक्शन यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे और उसके बाद उसके एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चंस। सो ये वीडियो लेक्चर यहाँ पे फिनिश होता है। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच।